Okay, so today we gap down again despite this kind of master rally yesterday after hours trading. Now we held the resistance at days open price for today, 400 level and equilibrium line from yesterday's. I shorted up here. Now price found support right here at 340s level, this multi-month low. Let's see how it will behave and if it holds below yesterday's value area, and then we have a retest further downside. In this scenario, we would like to see a sell-off down to yesterday's lows and then potential buy opportunity down there, but not sure how much this will happen now until ECB press conference during the midday. So let's see. Here's how I traded this. I short 2 times and I got stopped out because of the noise, then shorted for 41 points, closed it here. So let's see which trade will be next. Okay, so I shorted here at the initial balance high. Let's see if this holds like yesterday and previous day, and we have a test of down here initial balance low of the day. So I reversed my position up here, bought for the breakout. Let's see if it manages to break out these levels right here and goes up to 500s. So we're looking for this kind of rally. So we're testing here initial balance high of yesterday's session, these two lines right here. Let's see if we break out. If we do break out, we would like to see a move up to the highs yesterday and possible gap fill like from yesterday's gap down move. Let's see if this will happen today or during this day. Very nice rally so far. Support here at the balance high of yesterday's session. Broke it out. Let's see how it will behave up here, which is 100% of its average price range statistic as well. Let's see if we manage to break out or even retest 500s. Let's see where we are here on the daily chart. We're fighting for this kind of support of August and September lows. Let's see if finally today with Draghi will hold any support and will rally up, or if he will disappoint and go further downside for a 9,000 retest later this week or even today. Let's see. So now price fell above yesterday's initial balance high, this level right here, as every time it went, even after hours here. Let's see if now we can break down this kind of initial support before this rally and go down for initial balance low at 330s. Otherwise this will give us this kind of continuation upside. Let's see which scenario will play out. So price keep selling off down below up. We'll try to retest this kind of low for sure. Let's see how it will behave here, and if we would like to see a bounce here, I will try to buy it here. Let's see if this goes down. At the moment failed all this kind of uptrend, filled the gap right here and failed to even retest 500s. So here we are again holding support at the initial balance low of yesterday's session, failed to retest this low yet. Rallied up to above 400s, now failed at the midpoint of today's initial balance. Let's see if this failure will give us a move down to initial balance lower than potential buying, or even a further downside and a buy opportunity here at this previous low. I'm short right here for this kind of scenario. Let's see. So price keep fighting this kind of level 400s. Let's see if it drops down to 363s. Retest it here, move my stop to break even. Let's see now if it manages to go further downside. Again, statistics suggest that the more time spent between these two blue levels, the higher probability will go further downside. So we're looking for 76% chances to go further downside the more time it spends between these two levels. So price failed to stay below this equilibrium line, now gradually rallying above. Let's see how it will behave here at 480s and even 500s if it manages to go up there. If we have a breakout, then we should see the big picture here. We are kind of oversold, let's say, so we can have a potential move up to 600s or so, especially if Draghi helps rally the index up and sell the euro down. Let's see how this will play out. Currently I'm long for this reason, because I would like to take advantage of any early optimism, even if later we have a sell-off. So let's see how this will go. So I've shorted right here, closed the long from earlier, because of the average exhaustion levels I use. You can see it here. We are almost 100% from its average range, so that means we can, for these 2 hours here, we could be kind of exhaustion. So let's see now how further down we can go. If it's going to retest 420s. So I close this position right down here. Let's see how this will go. This 50s level. Let's see at the turn of the hour if we have any flash up to 480s or 500s, or if it's just going to collapse down to 400s instead. So I shorted again at here at the turn of the hour. Let's see if we manage to go back down. Again, now the sentiment is that the more time we spend above or between these two blue lines, the higher probability will go further upside. And if we consider the fact that we could be short-term oversold, then this could be a really good bounce up for this kind of gap fill, as I was saying a little while ago. So let's see. Very nice trade here, sold off, kind of faked out this kind of previous high and then immediately sold off. Let's see how it will respond here at these levels. Okay, so we can see now price collapsed here from a previous short and found support with flash down with volume spike enough to sustain an uptrend. Let's see how this 50s level will play out. During the Draghi conference, I would like to see how market will behave, and I would like to, if I see a flash down move at any of these kind of levels, I will try to buy it at any kind of these levels starting from 400s. Of course, it depends where price will be. On the other hand, if I see a move upwards, immediately move upwards up to 500s, and this cannot be able to break out this previous high, I would like to short it there. But if I see this kind of setup support here, initial balance high, then I will try to buy it for the continuation, because we need to fill this kind of gap right here. So let's see which scenario will play out. If we flash down, of course I would like to buy it and hold it as much as possible. It will depend on the price action. So let's see how this will trade in a few, almost 1 hour. You can see how price behaved here. It's volume weighted average price, flash down and held support. This is very good, could be very good long, but let's see how much can this hold. So we can actually see some buying interest straight up from this kind of volume weighted average price. Let's see now if we manage to break out and hold above this one. I would like to go long. Of course, perhaps I should have waited for the press conference, but let's see if this breaks out. Then we could possibly go rally all the way up here, because I'll show you the daily chart as well. You can see here the daily, as I saw earlier this morning, we are fighting for this kind of support. Of course, this could be very good long-term support for a move up to 10,000. It will depend on today and by the end of this week, really. Let's see if we manage to hold and close above it, then we might have a gradual up move up to perhaps 10,000. Might be too much, but let's see how long it will stay and go and rally, potentially rally up here. So I shorted up here at this fake out. Let's see how price will behave here at 50s and if it goes back down to 420s. Price keep making higher for the day. Let's see if this will finally hold, and then we'll have a move upwards to 9600s. So I bought here for this breakout. Let's see how it will go and if it rally up to 600s. You can see now price spiking here above my entry. This is first target, second target is far away up above here. Let's see if this happens, of course. We're breaking out this kind of previous high. If this holds, then we will have good chances to fill up the gap and go 9600s. So we're spiking up here, flash down move, I bought it back again. Let's see if it goes further upside. Very nice spike right here. Just bought it back. Let's see, having my trailing stock, how it will behave here at 600. Massive spikes here, massive spike. Let's see if it holds above 600, then we can have 700 move. I bought again here. Let's see if we spike further upside. Bought back again here. Trailing stop is taking care of the trade. Let's see if spike further upside. I'm sorting now up here, trade by trade, in and out. Let's see if 600 holds for the continuation, or if it's just going to fail and price goes below. Close the short and open a long position at support of 600. Let's see how far up can this go if it retests 700 right here. So we are looking for this kind of move. Let's see if it breaks out previous highs. Very nice trade so far, 40 points or so. Let's see how it will behave here in at 700s. Very obvious comments. Sorted right here because of we are overextended for the moment. Let's see if it retests 600s and goes further downside. So price breaking down or at least testing 600s. If this happens, we would like to see price from this breakdown down to 50s. Otherwise, this will just gonna be a very good long again. But let's see. 30 points now. Let's see how far it down. You can see here this kind of initial resistance at 600. Let's see if this holds and we collapse down. Otherwise, this will be just a continuation. So 600 didn't hold, broke down at bought here for the momentum upside. Let's see if we go further upside to 700. Euro dollar is testing 108 to the downside. Previously broke it. Let's see. In this case, we're looking for this kind of move. Let's see if this happens. Failed to bounce. I shorted here at 600 for a possible move to the downside. Very nice sell off right here. Multiple retests failed to hold 600s and break above. Let's see now how it will behave here at 50s and then further downside to 500s potential. Let's see. Very nice trade so far here. Scaled out here at 50s. Let's see if we go further out downside or we hold these 50s. Euro dollar testing previous lows. Holding above, the more holds the higher probability to go further downside. Let's see. Price keep coming down here, almost 70 points now. Let's see how it will behave here at 500 and even if it goes lower. Let's see how it will behave. Draghi just promised here. So euro dollar tanked 100 points, 120 pips, but now is testing 108 to the upside. So that means if it goes up, DAX will definitely go further downside. So let's see. So US cash market open. I'm still holding this kind of short. Would like to see if price can go down to 460s volume weighted average price. So this could be a very nice trade. Of course, I will scale out here at these levels, but let's see if we sell back down all this kind of distance. Euro dollar looks like it's held good support at 108. Probably will go up for 109. Let's see. If that happens, they will definitely gonna tank down. 80 points now in this trade. This is a very good trade. Let's see how this previous support would hold. This is from yesterday's after hours high. Support here the initial, of course, it could be, I don't know, profit taking or so. So let's see, we would like to see a closer position down here. Very nice fade here. Initially held support at 500s and immediately rejected 50s. Now below the US cash open price. Let's see how it will behave here at 460s volume weighted average price, and let's see it in relation with today's trading. So consolidated. Of course, this was the very good support right here at the moment. This breakout as well. This breakout as well. This kind of flash down move here and immediately spiked due to Draghi, and this is the exhaustion level. I shorted here at 600s, 111 points now. Since this was very good short right here, so I was looking for this kind of break. Let's see if we have this kind of level around here, then a potential move to the upside. So I'm looking for price to break down this 480s and go further downside. Let's see. Looks like it's going. So I close my position here at this kind of support retest. Let's see if we go further downside, and I would like to buy it down here. So I bought this kind of dip here. Let's see if price will go up above VWAP upline and hold above and then retest 500s or even higher if it holds above here. Immediately sold off here, exceeded its 120%, almost 130% its average range, so I bought it. Let's see. Very nice trade here, broke out VWAP volume weighted average price, immediately held support here at 500s. Let's see how far up can this go, if it is going to go further upside to 600 or even retest this high from Draghi conference. Very nice session at the moment. So price failed to break out this US session high and exceeded again its 100% from its average range for these 2 hours for the US session. Let's see if we fail and retest here at 500 or even lower VWAP. Volume weight average price. SPY failed to hold above 187, so let's see if it reaches 186. In this case, we will sell back down to 9500s. Euro dollar just rallying again. Let's see. So let's see here a daily chart as well. At the moment we broke out 500 as I was saying earlier in this video. We held support at this very important support area. The thing is now if we manage to close above for the rest of the session or if we just collapse again, if we close above we have good chances to break these highs tomorrow and then go for a rally up to 10,000 potentially. Let's see if this will happen. So we can see here that price sold off hard, then found resistance at almost 150% of its average range. Let's see now if this can hold this resistance and sells further down for a retest of 500 or if it's just going to consolidate sideways. That's it for today and thanks for watching.